According to the World Health Organization, unhealthy diets are now the leading cause of death globally. More people are dying from eating unhealthy foods than from smoking, traffic accidents, and even HIV or AIDS combined. This is mainly because some of the most commonly consumed foods in the world are actually incredibly unhealthy and can lead to serious health problems over time, and even put you to an early grave. In today's video, let's learn about some everyday foods that may seem harmless, but may be killing you slowly. Let's begin. Number 1. Carbonated drinks and soda bottles. We all know that soda bottles are full of sugar. A regular can of soda has about 10 teaspoons of sugar. And according to experts, men shouldn't consume more than 9 teaspoons of sugar per day, and women shouldn't consume more than 6 teaspoons of sugar per day. But most sugary drinks like cola and soda alone may be giving you much more sugar than you need. Their sugar content can make you gain weight. Their acidic content can cause tooth decay and weaken your bones. And drinking these drinks frequently can even cause serious diseases, like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. So, while an occasional soda is okay, it's important to watch out for the bad effects if you drink too much of it. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Canned tomato sauce. Canned tomato sauce may taste great in pasta, pizza, and other dishes, but they might not be the healthiest choice. The cans may have a chemical called bisphenol A in their linings, which can mess with your hormones and cause many chronic diseases. And that's not all. Most canned tomato sauces have extra sugar, salt, and preservatives to make them taste better and last longer. Those extra sugars and salts can cause problems like obesity, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Plus, some preservatives like sodium benzoate can mix with vitamin C from the tomatoes and create something called benzene, which can be harmful and even linked to cancer. So, while canned tomato sauces may taste yummy, it's important to know about their potential health issues. Number 3. Vegetable oil. Not all vegetable oils are the same. Some oils like soybean oil, corn oil, and canola oil are processed and have lots of omega-6 fatty acids. We need both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, but too much omega-6 without enough omega-3 can cause inflammation in our bodies. This kind of inflammation can lead to problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. So even though vegetable oils are handy for cooking, it's important to be careful about which type you use and how much. Choosing healthier oils like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil gives you good fats without the potential risks of too much omega-6. Number 4. Hot dogs. You know those yummy hot dogs we often enjoy at barbecues and ball games? Well, truly speaking, they might not be the healthiest choice. The problem starts with all the extras they put in hot dogs, things like too much salt, unhealthy fats, and nitrites and nitrates. Too much salt and unhealthy fats can raise your blood pressure, which isn't great for your heart. It can even put you at risk for heart disease and strokes. And what about those nitrates they use to keep hot dogs fresh? When hot dogs are cooked at high temperatures, the nitrites and nitrates in them react with amines present in meat and turn into harmful compounds called nitrosamines. These compounds are linked to cancer, especially colorectal cancer. So while hot dogs are a quick and tasty treat, it's smart to enjoy them in moderation and be aware of how they could affect your health. Number 5. Margarine. Margarine used to be seen as a healthier option to butter, but it can cause many health issues in the long run. It's made through hydrogenation, a process that creates trans fats, which are not good for your health. Trans fats can raise the cholesterol in your body, making you more likely to have heart disease. They're also linked to inflammation, obesity, and a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. So even though margarine seems like a healthy choice because it has less saturated fat, it can still be harmful to your health. Use healthier oils like olive oil or avocado oil instead. Mashed avocado can be a creamy and nutritious alternative to margarine or butter on toast or sandwiches. You can also go for nut butter and peanut butter in small quantities. Other healthier alternatives are hummus, Greek yogurt, and nutritional yeast. Number 6. Fries. Fries. Those crispy potato sticks we all love can cause some health issues too if we eat them too much. They're often cooked in oils that can cause inflammation, and lead to heart disease and even cancers in the long run. They're also usually high in sodium salts and calories, which can increase your weight and cause high blood pressure. To enjoy fries without harming your health, eat them in moderation and try healthier cooking methods like baking or air frying. Use salsa or hummus instead of too much salt and ketchup, and balance your meal with fruits, veggies, and whole grains. This way, you can still enjoy fries while looking out for your well-being. Number 7. Bottled salad dressings. These dressings are known for having lots of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. These ingredients make the dressing taste good and last longer, but they can be bad for your health. Plus, some salad dressings have trans fats or unhealthy saturated fats that can raise your bad cholesterol levels and cause heart disease. On top of all that, many of these dressings are high in sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure and kidney troubles. So even though bottled salad dressings seem convenient, it's a good idea to check the labels and think about healthier options to look out for your long-term health. Number 8. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, sucralose, and neotame have been used to make things taste sweet without adding calories for a long time. They're often seen as a way to enjoy sweet foods and drinks without gaining weight. But there's a catch. Some studies suggest they might not be as harmless as we once thought. These sweeteners could mess with how your body handles calories and feelings of hunger, possibly leading to weight gain over time. They can also affect your metabolism and the friendly bacteria in your gut, which can raise the risk of conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Number 9. Alcohol. Many people turn to it for relaxation, without caring about its potential risks. First, too much alcohol can damage your liver, making it hard for your body to remove toxins. It can also cause heart disease and raise the risk of cancer in your mouth, throat, and liver. Plus, it can mess with your mood and even lead to addiction. Lastly, it's high in calories, which can make you gain weight if you drink it often. So, it is important to be mindful of how much and how often you drink to protect your long-term health. Number 10. Fast food. Fast food may taste good and seem super convenient, but it's not great for your health in the long run. It's often full of unhealthy fats, too much salt, and tons of calories. Together, they can make you gain weight, become obese, and increase your risk of chronic diseases like heart problems, strokes, and even cancer. One big issue with fast food is the kind of oils they use for cooking, which can lead to inflammation and those chronic diseases I mentioned before. Plus, all that salt can make your blood pressure go up, and a single meal can pack more than 1,000 calories, which isn't good for your waistline. Fast food doesn't give you much of the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants either. So, if you want to enjoy fast food without too much risk, have it once in a while, pick the healthier options if they're available, and maybe try making healthier versions at home. Number 11. Barbecued meats. The delicious flavor of barbecued meats comes from the juices sizzling on hot grills and the smoky flavor they soak up. But here's the catch. This process can create some potentially harmful stuff. When meat, especially the fatty kind, meets high heat, it releases drippings that can make some not-so-friendly compounds, like polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic amines, which can cause inflammation, mess with your DNA, and even be linked to cancer. Sometimes, you'll get those flare-ups when fat drips onto the grill, and that can leave your meat with blackened bits that contain acrylamide, another harmful compound that can cause cancer. Lastly, on number 12. Flavored fruit juices. Don't believe the big flashy labels that say 100% fruit unless you have a look at their ingredient labels. Many commercial fruit juices pose many health risks over time due to their high sugar content, lack of fiber, and potential for tooth damage. Their regular consumption can cause weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and dental problems. Remember, balance is key when it comes to fruit juices. While they can be tasty, relying on them too heavily in your diet might gradually impact your health negatively. Always opt for whole fruits whenever possible, and limit your intake of sugary commercial fruit juices to stay on a healthier track. So, your food choices matter a lot for your physical as well as mental well-being. Make healthier decisions for a longer, happier life. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.